Hello guys, this is Jasper Ugiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your Binance account. So I will show you, like I said, how you can create your Binance account and verify your Binance account. I will take you now to my smartphone and show you step by step how you can create your Binance account and verify your Binance account. So just keep on watching and let me show you how. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to click the link on the description so that it take you to Binance directly, or you can install Binance directly from your Google Play Store. So to install Binance on your smartphone, what you have to do, you need to click on this search button on your Google Play Store, and you have to search for Binance. So you have to search for Binance. Once you search for Binance, it will pop up here and you will find Binance. What you have to do is to install it. If you have not installed it, you have to install your Binance. Once you have installed it, then you need to click on open. So I will click on open now. So once you click on open, this is how it will look. This is how the homepage of Binance will look. So you need to, this step is how you can register on Binance. So to register, you need to click on the section where it says sign up. I will click on sign up here. Click on sign up, it will still bring you here. You need to click on sign up with phone or email. Click on. So once you click on sign up with your phone or email, it will bring you here. You will see email, you will see phone at the other side. Here you can sign up with your phone number, and here you can sign up with your email. Just depend on you. So on this video, we are going to use email. So I'm going to enter my email here. So as you can see, I have entered my email and password. So if you can see at the bottom where it says referral ID, you need to make sure you click on this where it say referral ID optional. You can click on it because if you use my referral code, you will get $25 on your first deposit, on your first $100 deposit when you deposit money into your Binance account. So you will get $25. So what you have to do now is to enter my referral code. So this is my referral code if you want to use it. It's not like I'm asking you to do this, but this is just for you. If you want to use my referral code, you can use it to get $25. So this is my referral code if you want to use it. So you can use this my referral code here that I've entered, that you can see, which is 4265077719. That is my referral code, and you accept the terms and conditions, and you come to this section where it says create personal account. You can click on create personal account. So why I show that error? Because I did not accept I have agreed to Binance terms of service and privacy policy, so I did not accept it. So now I have accepted that, and when I click on create account now, so it's creating our account, asking us to choose a build. So we're going to choose that, and choose that, and click on verify. And as you can see, say verification. It says please enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to Chris Nelson922@gmail.com. The code is valid for 30 minutes. So I'm going to go and get the code. So as you can see, this is the code I have received from Binance. I will click on that, and I need to copy this code here. I will copy it and go back to our Binance account to enter this code. So we are on our Binance app. So I'm going to enter the code here, pasting the code, and click on submit. So as you can see, so you will receive this message that will say account created, verify your identity to enjoy your Binance journey. So you will see say create account, you have completed your registration. So now that is okay. So you see account verification, verify your account in few minutes. So how to verify your account? You can verify your account with your national ID, or you can verify your account with your passport. So what you have to do, you have to click on this section where it says verify. So once you click on verify, now I want to verify your Binance account. Here you are going to select country of residence. So I'm going to select my country of residence. And as you can see, it says verification process, personal information, government issue ID. You don't need to look at this. That is why you are watching this, because you want to learn how you can verify your own account. Don't look at all those things. What you just have to do is to click on next. Normally they say 2 days, but if you enter your information correctly, within 1 hour to 2 hours, your account will be verified, or even 24 hours, your account will be verified. So you have to click on that section where it say continue. So once you click on continue here is going to ask for, you say personal information, identity information. So what you have to do, you need to choose your nationality. I will choose my nationality here. So once I have chosen my nationality here, what I have to do, I have to enter my name. So once you have choose your name, then click on date of birth and enter your date of birth. So once you have chosen your date of birth, you need to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it will show you that it's okay. Then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, to ask you for your you see additional information, residence address. I will enter my residence address here. So once I've entered my residence address here, I will click on continue. So it will ask you this question. So to begin the identity verification process, please ensure that the name below match your ID document. So you will click on yes, confirm. You can click on details incorrect so that you can refill your details, or if it's correct, you can click on confirm. This detail that you enter is correct, so I will click on confirm because it's correct. Then it's going to take us to the terms and conditions. You say I have agreed to the ID now privacy policy and accept the ID now terms of service. I click on that and I click on start identity verification. So this is the three things that you have to do. You are the one to do this, not me. So first thing, what you have to do here is to you have to enter your ID, maybe either passport or your national identity. You can use one. It just depends on what you have. Enter the photo on that session, which is the first one. Then the second one, you need to take a selfie of you. Take a selfie of you, wear a t-shirt and take a selfie of you. That is the second one. And the third one, you need to verify your account with your phone number. So once you complete this 3 steps, you are the one to do it. It's very simple. If I click on continue now, first it's going to ask me for my ID, then second is going to ask the selfie, and the third one is going to ask for my phone number. And if I do this now, my account to be verified. I don't want to do this for security reason, so you need to go and do this. It's very simple. Just click on continue. You have to take a picture of your document. Then once you take a picture of your document, because it will ask you to scan your document, you scan it. Then you move on to the next step, which is taking a selfie of you. Just a selfie, like taking a photo of you. And once you take a photo of you, then you can move to the third step, which is to confirm your account with your phone number. And once you've done that, you will receive this message on your Gmail account. This is the type of message you will receive. So this is the type of message you receive from Binance. You will receive the type of message that will say your Binance account has been verified. Say congratulations, you have passed the identity verification process and now a verified user. This means you have unlocked access to the full suite of products and services on Binance platform and are finally ready to kickstart your crypto journey with Binance. For an overview of your account benefits, please visit the verification center if you want to know more about that. So that is everything you need to do to get your account created on Binance and verify your Binance account. So the next thing is for you to go and deposit money into your Binance account. But if you want to learn how you can earn money on Binance, you can watch this video that will pop up right now. Or if you want to learn how you can deposit money into your Binance account, you can watch the second video that will be at the bottom. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, all I just want from you is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know what to think on this video, and I will see you on my next video.